Hi there, in this video I would like to show you what is the tape in the CSCALP trading terminal, why it's so important to master and use this tool in your trading. Please pay attention to the CSCALP Discord server to find relevant and useful information. The link you will find under the video in the description. Tape is the real-life projection of the current purchases and sales. You can see red and green ticks with the numbers inside. The numbers imply the number of contracts bought or sold by the market participants in the real time. Just imagine thousands of traders and institutional participants are making trades right now. If we, for example, buy 100 lots right here, just making an immediate order, just clicking buy on the order book, we see a green tick with 100 inside. It means that we just bought 100 lots of the current instrument by the current price at the current moment. I think the picture is simple and clear. What is the feature of those who are making market orders? The core feature is that they push the price, making it execute the limit orders on the price way. In the video devoted to the order book, we talked about the limit orders and the limit participants that are liquidity providers. Now we know that market participants, those whose trades are made immediately and displayed here in ticks, are liquidity takers. If you are a market participant, you help to execute the limit orders on the way of the price. The greater your market order is, the more contribution in the execution of the closest limit order you make. However, the fee is higher rather than trading through placing limit orders. Now you know the difference between the order book and the tape between limit participants and market participants correspondingly. Watching the tape attentively, you can understand two core things. First of all, the activity of the instrument. It's important to see before the breakouts. The faster this tape is moving, the more activity it implies. The more activity it brings, the higher the probability of the impulse movement, like the breakout. It is extremely important right before the breakout. Second, the predominance of sellers or buyers. Finally, settings. We can filter out those ticks that are too small. Such ticks have no influence on price to make the tape more readable. For example, we filter out all the ticks with the volume less than 1000 lots, as lower volume here is very useless in terms of influence on price. We can hide filtered ticks, and now our tape is more readable. We can also spot a large amount and turn on the notification. When 500 lots will appear here, we will hear the notification, the alarm. Now we have made it more readable. Right now I'm waiting for the breakout of this round level. I will be adding the position right here on the breakout of this level, and it's important for me to make sure that this tape will be extremely active before the breakout. It means that there are enough participants to bring this impulse. I hope this video will help you to understand the market much better. Write your questions in the comments below. The video was prepared by the CSCALP Trading Terminal team. Thank you.